Hello everyone, Jan here from Needle, and in today's video I'm going to share you our Airtable integration. This has been heavily requested by many of you and I'm very happy to share it today. And one of the common use cases many of you also requested is that there might be missing information within your tables and you want to automatically push data through your Needle chat interface to Airtable to fill these gaps. So let's get started. So the first question here, I'm right now in my Needle interface. I can ask actually what tables do I actually have in Airtable, and we are going to do a search across all your data within Airtable and going to find the tables that you actually are having there. So there are three models or tables in my AI model management: AI models, datasets, and performance metrics. And I also would like to know actually which accounts do I have actually connected to it. In this case, my personal one. And I want to know in this what tags are there actually in this models table. So I'm going to make a search here and ask that, because my table actually looks as I can show you here like this. There's tags, there's an assignee, and there's like a model name, version, and description, and so on. I just filled it with some dummy data. And you see here, for example, there's a gap. And you see here also there's a gap. So there's like one row which is unassigned and one row which doesn't have also a tag. And this can happen in many cases of your projects. You may deal with thousands or millions of rows and you have like rows which are missing data. And I want to know if there is a table or a row in this table without a tag assigned, for example. And so we are making a search now with Needle to find these rows where we actually don't have a tag assigned. So now you see it says that there's one row, description, culinary experience, multiple data sets linked, version 2.5, which is actually this model here. You see version 2.5, culinary model, blah, blah, blah. And you see there is no tag assigned to it. And the beauty now of Needle is that you can actually say to Needle, okay, directly, you don't even need to go to Airtable over there. You just say within Needle, actually now add this tag AWS to my table. And now we can go back here and we can reload the page. And if we reload the page, you see that AWS has been added. So we actually push this change through Needle to your Airtable. And there's also another thing, that there is actually a missing assignee here within this row. So you could ask within Needle that is there a row in this table with without an assignee. And in this case, it should give us back this fourth row, which is like this version 3.1 in emotion analyst model. And we see here exactly this is also what we get with the Needle. The tag is actually Mistral. So if we scroll also here, you see Mistral is the one. And now we can say, I would like to actually add assignee to this row. So can you add Jan with my email here, personal email. Actually, where's the missing assignee? So in this case, we would update all the rows where there no assignee has been added. And now you see here, actually Jan has been added as an assignee. So this is it. This is our Airtable integration. And I think this is really, really powerful. You don't have to do any more switching between different windows. You don't have to search for like your tables, look through the rows. You just can ask with Needle, is there like some missing information, or how is actually my table constructed? And if there's missing information and you quickly want to fill the gaps, you can just do that through the Needle chat interface, push data as well as pull data from your Airtable. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at our email, support@needle-ai.com, or you can also send us a message in our Discord channel, and we are very happy to support your use case. And looking very much forward to what you are building with Needle and Airtable. See you soon.